Greetings viewers, John here, and in this video we're going to be discussing the LEGO superhero sets that are upcoming for the summer of 2016. So on the DC side of things, we have Killer Croc's Sewer Smash, where Batman in the Bat Tank teams up with the new 52 Red Hood on his Red Hood cycle to battle members of the Suicide Squad, the members being a big-figged Killer Croc compared to a guy in bad makeup in the actual movie. And Killer Croc is on like some weird crunching machine and is alongside Captain Boomerang and Katana as they fight members of the Bat family. And this set is one of two larger ones that are coming out soon, along with Scarecrow's Harvest of Fear, where there's like the first time in a long time a return of a Scarecrow minifigure. And Scarecrow is joined by Killer Moth to harass this farmer as they take on Batman in the Batcopter in some gas protecting suit alongside Blue Beetle. On the Marvel side of things, Spider-Man teams up with Ghost Rider to take down the Hobgoblin in a much smaller set, so it's probably not going to cost that much since it's 200 pieces. On the larger side, Dr. Octopus and the Vulture decide to harass Captain Stacy in the harbor as Spider-Man and White Tiger team up to save him. And at this point, it seems like Spider-Man is more Sinister 6 themed, and DC is Suicide Squad themed. And lastly, on one of the largest Spider-Man sets I've seen, Spider-Man teams up with the Ben Reilly Scarlet Spider and the Spider-Girl from the Miles Morales universe, making the Web Warriors who are trying to save Aunt May on the bridge from the Scorpion, the Green Goblin, and Kraven the Hunter. And I like this set because if you just take two of these sets together, like, you know, if you just pull that money out of wherever and you get two of these sets, you can just make a big bridge and you're already on your way to making your big Lego city. But anyway, enough of that. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for viewing.